It is I mean no kasan there better you know. So I say 500 I'm on the size. See how
Yeah, almost 7,000.
Hey, 7,000.
Yeah.
Chama. And you grown a audio 7,000. My member saw that demands no at the saying because you any demands at the saying.
Demand in there, as I said previously, it's crazy. Or we better me discover to work as next order. Or tiaka ahead of time.
Hey.
Or better me the buy 1 billion better say, Mammy Kushia 1 billion as soon as canasa. What I say? Mama maybe more customer be or tiame. Me money X bear 700 crate or some tiame another 800 crate up front. I bring cushion me for money in your radio.
Young penny for baby say, if you are seeing her, will be in my picture. Why not chill? So we'll pay IT, we be 1 year, so we'll pay support. Slam Technology say your number 1 partner. Your office will US in here, your office will Ghana, so your numbers need good. So we'll share IT classes, we'll hear career coaching, we'll hear support for business, cybersecurity, free, na your partner. Yaba wow. Slam Technologies, transformation with excellence. Phrases, ya baby piano,
Daily also GH Busa for more about SVTV Africa. So medin komo Ghana haya mina brante ba ko bon home modern wa Ghana. Mini ba bedin komo yenti makacha say had mini obi adin komo ti bia wo bia betimi aba show no so bi wo Ghana wo ti kwan. I mean, tap sense me kan tell mo say wo UK, wo Europe, wo Canada, wo America, wo Australia ana wo UAE a ubetimi amane sika abre wadofo e wo Ghana. Enti die tie ni ko Play Store ne App Store na download the tap send. O download the tap send na o fill forms kit we maybe say promo code channel so na type SVTV. O mane sika efi UK a ubenya bonus. First transfer ubenya £5 bonus. O Europe a ubenya €5 bonus. O US a ubenya $10 a year bonus. Inti download the tap send o Play Store ne App Store na mane sika ebre obusuan for now for ne adofo e wo Ghana. Ejuma pasa me nkanche mo say unya artisans, styler, painter, plumber, steel bender, electrician, carpenter, auto repairs ni ade a ejuma pa se me nkanche o say ko omo website www.ejumapa.com and omo contact number and o screens no so no ubetimi from o abruche o pese ye project bi wa send sika be fie sa manfo di usika o now for ebusuan for ejuma pasa for project ni form so ombe ya ma na chese na uko request ya omepe obi na waye wujuma na ma baby your project no Ghana bia no trust ejumapa insa no ejuma opese usua IT course number 1 Slam Technologies. Slam Technologies show cyber security any either IT programs. Slam Technologies omo obi wo Ghana sa so no omo obi nso wo USA. Ohia Slam Technologies contactor on numbers the good screens no from CCA na say kosua cyber security and other programs. Slam Technologies number 1. Delight Foods is number 1. Mo UK na old burgers ni ade nyamunim Delight Foods dada eba ni Delight Hausa Coco, Delight Sobolo, Delight Burkina, both fruits number 1. Uko UK a ko Afro shop bia na kasa ohwehwe Delight Foods ubon se ewo eno na obianom ewo UK agibe bia wo UK nti kona kope Delight Foods ne bi na tasty kama pa. Ohia Airbnb wa Accra Parry group of companies I mean kan say omo 3-bedroom fully furnished Airbnb ewo Dansoman Estate. Sasu no more 1 and 2 bedroom apartment ewo English amount from near Westers Mall. For a Parry group of companies numbers na wo screens no uhia baby a obako da ananse obako dwodwo ho a for a Parry group of companies. Yenko di nkomo me ne abrante na obehwe no screen so no Emmanuel on say CEO of Power Farms ne mintie me abetie ni Jen me abetie farming kuayo chale bima me mo akwa aboko de
na me adum na so
fantastic. We sumo ye pa. You might know about SVTV Africa so I mean you know pesi etie o journey pesi etie dia o ye wan kasa ka bi share then na we
me into poultry pen na me nya hwe na me we school 2019 2019 me degree at Pentecost University College. And Miss logistics and supply chain management. And me and Miss Chata chartered logistics. And me no me koye ejuma commercial bank akra. And me ho no mo number so mo me contract staff. But contract staff social salary contract staff na. Yeah, when go be contract staff on my contract staff be 8 years 6 years class still mo 1,000 2008 na there. Work ejuma baka lawyer for card end of the month crowd still mu crowd no salary now here. Or run at a lost. The our boom off and on now and nipa dwen say yen be my ho. Nti na me so me hala won say boys hala ibia e dey twa ho ana. Oba na me ne tene na o ma me nyansa say ono fi bi. Oh, won say bi for so there. Poultry na dey go odoma de ngoko na ntora na o say na oh yes nya ngoko. Na me say ngoko de line be yes ngoko no be wu. Ono so no ngoko de omu but we mistake there bro when I say okay. And at least Marco school kakra dey say me ask me research. Na me hu dia e intele ejuma no. Nti me catch me sister paying and me sister paying so na onim vet bia wa training ko for that say wedding ko for ni mo ejuma ni ma che. And o catch her na me be close to papa no. Nti friend Daniel Ferguson. Nti me catch her na say okay abo me na ejuma. Na me ask me need time. But na pesa me yet. So that's it. And that my service car crowd or my parents to amuye juma I felt say they could have helped like they would help me. Into number GD say me want to me kind of way cra me nyam boa ho. That was my civic car. And na me wafa ebuo bi a ye de net ne mpampuro bi 2x4 bi aye wa masa my baby. And me catching say oh me catching papa say da pesa me poultry no and also I didn't know uncle use that tane ebuo na we ja ho no pa nya hwe no and I'm say okay and e ja me catch Daniel papa na obebo abena ye ko hwe ebuo no e ko na net na wo hu nyina ye fi basa but e changing net no we did some disinfection and renovation and stuff like that and yeah share dimension and who say dimension with it can take like 500 beds. We didn't want to overstock because you have to know the dimension well. And I started here, na me wa fanere and I shambwano the 500 chicks by that time. That chicks was about 9 cities, 10 cities or something. I'm off Holland. It's on the call with our company in the hall na Yakofa or airport na at the buy. It was good. Na me shut down in Honum on the first beginning, but na me papa na yere no and I shambwano and down Daniel from my men pay bia, and I pay you me and he say yes you are na 12 farmers na me tata na mo tantra na ma 12 farmers ma ko hwe na ekoso sa until say and one benyi ya omoto nkosu ya me say hey na 500 best pona that time na 2020 mu 2021 mu hono na 500 best ka me nya bet 7,500 7,800 8,000 my top feed nyina wie na mechi ma me ka na wie no na me nya 8,000 hey okay, then that means it's a good business. The more you go, the more you make money out of it. And I can say, okay, and a bear what I say, bit mania, they be at was what. And one say, in yes, I saw this one, casa, I be in Bempo swing. Yamiadum, you started. You started, baby, madam, do us.
It is, I mean, no, Sunday, bets I know. So I say 500, I'm going to start.
Yeah, almost 7,000.
Hey, 7,000.
Yeah.
Chima, and you're growing a hoodie. 7,000. But me, but make it point to be said. Research be then research be now yeah.
Oh, I said Daniel no you be a now I wo ejuma no mache. Enti odeme call there will be a friend of Francasin Ghana Limited. Omo not Kanisha. Omo ton quality drugs for poultry, piggery, cattle and yama. So omo ye seminar be 3 months be a you come every Thursdays. Thursdays be a oko seminar no mo chire. But omo me chire o ejuma ni so. You get it? They will show you what you gotta do. Medication chart near the thing. How much? I want to mean chila nina. And I don't know so. Poultry, nimdiana echo nimano. I bruni na nimdiana ba. Anya before no. So you have to go online, read how to breed the chicks. You know, Rick Ben, I say, be online. Even breeding now, we the man on the crown, no Bruni, at the breed, no, ne guide, about say, can breed, ne guide, no. So I say, oh, can breeding, Ghana, you know more about the breed. Adriani says so would Gram says so would week when I say change feed, no. Lightning program, na no, 1 week, I saw man that I will say. I say, one any time say. So what I say, Nina, or guide him. But I say, once you start now, you lack that knowledge. So what I say, the mistakes you find wanting in that process. So once you are, but all you need to normal ones and say, oh, you're poetry there. Obey share mistakes, but a good mistakes there is good. Who share mistakes that you learn on that mistakes because me can't just say me share mistakes that me share mistakes and I've learned on that. And I didn't be able to so me way and see.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Into farms no way farm.
I want there so.
Ade so. And I also see I mean no kasa ade so no.
Oh. Walk up in
Who are car and our farms no ade so. So how do you do it?
So me started what there so no the number of workers were 2 beer. Now mo hwe mboa no tamna na ye wo dip letter na ye wo tamna mboa na 94 and all that. But I say me 4 workers are omo ho no ma they are working on the farm. They've been trained. On my mboa be about 2 occasions and 3 times since they are used to certain things. Say obi a wonye bi da kra. And it's but because yeah the chicks but I'm there for like 3 or 4 weeks. I don't come to Accra. But when they are grown, about extra 4 weeks in there, and know maybe oral vaccinations, so maybe first vaccine, second, third, fourth, until the next vaccine maybe 5 posts, which is 12 weeks. So I can stay in the house maybe a month and relax myself and maybe go back. But sometimes within the month, it me flash over one day, back and 1 year okay, I'm summer back. So that's it. And I mean, that's yeah.
Wow. But distance no and what for conform ye juma ma ya na me de bi mu kasa o say business is one kasa no nye involve anya dia wo hobia the we mbeye oni ade I mean trust issues there there. Who you say?
Oh, trust issues need there. Ejuma no it depends. You can decide to stay on the farm. Like you the owner of the farm. You can decide to stay on the farm 24/7. And then you're fine. But there are some situations that if you can't be on the farm, there should be something like a CCTV camera to be watching stuff for you, you know. Camera be one of my or be back entrance or my motion sensor so be back, you know, to check what is going on. But trust issues need there. I mean, who say you be real wa na wo boss na. Yes.
As it just saying.
Only say Ghana on. I'm treating workers as workers. Only nipa ye juma. I say to Musa nipa no so nipa to say there are some privileges that you have to give to the workers to make them feel as like at home. We finish you, and I will turn on chain, and I will show. What I say, and I use my mouth. Me oba me hono ma. Who worker na who boss. Every class me buy juma hono. No, last time I hono my me buy. I say, officer, but me show you no mu bio. Na me sere. Enti me bakola waku buy no say boss name. But me dey share me sa wangasa. Enti only workers na say mo relate. Me no workers me di bom. You get it? Me no mo sere bom. Me no mo sometimes cry if feeding ko di bom. Ye yin ko sua bom. Me be ya de cry na work na say ya de cry. Me be say oh make me ya na. You get it? I give them that maximum respect. And I say only workers no incentives and your workers and your salary depend I said on my work no incentives. Oh, boy, how was to credit be 20 Ghana mobia. What I say? Boy, on my yeah, feed your workers no. They don't spend on their salary. And every week be you scout honoma I'm going to come market so they don't touch their salary to feed themselves. And say how are my workers now? Me who say baby out. And the man so boss na nkasa no. So won nim adwuma ne so a ye wia opo a won. Me say what me wia me. If say me adwuma ne say wo a wo ye adwuma ma me no. Boss bi wo no ma o ye Poultry keke. Wakofa obi and pa ko ne ti ona pa ko ne say oh make ma hwembo na me nim ye. and I rely on the pakono. But my boys no, they know nothing than me. Me my instructions no. Obey a duro pa, me make say ye duro say ye say. Minimum seller production no at every week biano I'm expected to get with this best. And the production never for ma. Na move fie say na production aba ene ati aba 5 crates or chana 7 or chana 8 the next day more farm honum. The ba farm hon that day no anti aba for ma na e kosoro means mo wi ame a fact. But I didn't make farm hon na form means there's a problem. Mean to me confirm how the next day na production I cut up. The next day I cut up maybe if you na aba form. No, you can't tell me that. And the boss no only farm they say use a critical mind. They who say no, we are me. Why you necessarily?
Wow, I see. So based on some okay na such challenges in kofu bebre wo. So na mo say oh and I for no be and a treatment no be a business na dey na business na okay business owners no so they say na okay no so come the way I related to your workers, the way you treat your workers, the way even some kind of inyaman kete be no a major factor. Oh,
a major factor. So now we work at Quebec kasa. Me workers ni say omo ya de a meka. Ba me wasana meka no. Meka so me no besere. Ba me no meka ne sa na wunti a. One day they be hot. That in be hot ne dey no. O kra rubber ho ana wan ka obesu. Ba me no o ya de a. Me no beka no boko. Last time boys mistakenly omo pie nkosia. No mo tam nkosia kosi na create na emre kakra. Na nkosia ni dwiri ye. And 3 crates a pie. So every buoy, it's almost tastas in Cosia, you know, 3 crates there. A damage cry. But I'm be catch them, but a man can't send an identity here. I won't be trying to rock a crabby, but mommy will say Cosia dear, say a damage, and I make a show say. Send a menemoteno. Menya quala. Send a more tried and intro, and fa. And cause I jury at them say jury boss. Mistakenly saying the jury. Now sending me video say in see and calling the jury. Matthias me nyakakai. I feel no mechanical questions. Oh boss, go send the jury. You found that creating the book. What I say, boko. Bobu hono mas I'm go share 3 get na jury no. The other be no. But who say ain't me continue so many times. The bia go share jury there. It doesn't make sense. Once in a while, I make a say go share jury. So one mo kasa cool say oh memo nya sabi next time we met for salary mo into mo yes na do ti salary mo ebe mo ya boys me work some time ago say we bibi sa me ti fi obi salary mo 200 cedis me ti fi obi salary mo that day mo nyina bufu ye but within 2 days three bo mo it's a mistake na dia omo anya biom so mo say some mistake omo ye biom pa dia boss be ti fi salary mo me ti membo men sake o men tan sake workers o sake worker bia all the time you have to get new worker to train the worker to become like the one that was sacking no. Because the one that was sacking we're getting more knowledge or become from you get it 1 hour training no. So I don't sack workers. I try to penalize them a little bit send a bear or be and he'll still be with me, you get it. Wow. So it works that way.
I mean all the who is our farming way mono and your mom to say mao I think hustling in life Ghana saying I mean you just school I'll call yeah. Is it like who in Temanka? Who started in them?
Bro, but you know who say man, yeah, Greg. Me catch me no Obama in the be say. But it miss me cra say me who a Greg bibi in them. And can you if say within just 4 years, 4 years I mean who man. Even though Ejumano who say me say income na menya wajumani no. I don't really spend it. I pay myself. Sometimes I don't even pay myself. I pay myself and reinvest the profits back into the business. Until I see I made 7,000. What I say? And come into me. And come 7,000 there. They be a discount from the mission. But to see I do a reinvestment of the income we've been getting from the previous bets and the cost. Until yeah, best now I'm 7 weeks this year no. I'm here 3,000. And I have about 3,000 something. I'm only 40 weeks I'm to go. I'm making around 92% there about. You get it. And he main said and but me share income I mean just 3,000 something best now woman now. Now imagine says another 3,000 be count motor media. Oh Bema. Forget abrushiri.
I say forget about it. Yeah, I mean, him say, nkofo bebre like nkofo bebre show interest like. Some kind of bebre few. And I'm for show interest.
Anya few. Me start here, no. TikTok na me start here. Me start TikTok. Na me start TikTok na 45 must be brain TikTok. And I see a start first I post TikTok number I got to saw me who nkofo na mo so mo yebi. But see no me go online na me bo poultry farmer like poultry farmers in Ghana. Pages are me who na poultry farmer no.
It's encouraging.
Yeah, me niaje. E dosu. E no mu nyina nya nkokrafo ne mbrofo. E mbrante ne
young
mama. E so obiani abre. Obiani hu say challenge ejuma ne say na tie o menya sika say obia ye bi. The little they can do 100, 200, 300 though. They are doing it. And I'm who na me niaje.
Yes, because even 3 million and 5 million youths could call into poultry. Oh, the poultry alone. Because in Goshiana, you mean supply.
Bro, in Goshiana, they are forgetting Goshiana some more. In Goshiana, some men call cry. If I'm to last hour, Goshiana some dear. As the demand is crazy.
Mean supply.
Every day, you call 500 crates. Or week to chop up 7,000 crates every week, which I can't even supply. And yes, sir, it pushes you to do more. You get it? Because when they say, hey, we production now in the car, say, joke now, joke, we pay 7,000 crates every week. You get me? So the demand for eggs is too high in Ghana. And now Ghana, they are importing chicken. We import about 95% of our chicken. 5% is locally made. And they say, Ghana said that is stopping importation of chicken like the way I Cote d'Ivoire for now. Broiler meat production will be very good for like the youth over here. You get it? Broiler meat production. Oko Ivory Coast, I'm importing chicken. Baby are locally made. And you know, I'm not a Jumaba in aspect of maybe poultry. But Ghana, they're still imported. So
you said the BBI, they have the problem no soon. You can't say BBI import, BBI import, BBI importation.
But I know very soon. I'm Bejai. The importation of
the dollar no cost through. Yeah, who has no nyama no ntimi ndi nyama so export nyama bebre but who import it into better na complain.
Yeah, Charlie, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Importation is crazy.
But you yanka into this poultry thing. I mean, obi peso going into 8. Then I'll be catching. I mean, starting they would do 7,000. But obi peso starting is saying. I mean, obi oti and first time and then I'll be catching.
Well, first of all, as of now, I work also as a consultant. A lot of people message me from US, UK, different kind of countries to set up the farm. Yeah, setting farm Bebre. Yeah, setting farm we're winning about 6,000 capacity. I'm doing another 10,000 capacity Swedro right now. I have some incoming ones via Misome and all that. My ben who said Obia person a cage system. Obia person a cage and if it's Obia who say AFA. And then if you're not it's what you do on the ground that is the most important thing. You can start somewhere. We started with 500. You can start with 100, 200. Unya sasika krebia. Ultimately, standard poultry farming. Ultimately, standard cooper. I'll be use block work near the idea. Ultimately, use me offer there bamboo. Bamboo near there wire mesh level B. And I didn't have found your boss keke. And no crown can and bonnet more comfortably, which is less expensive. Other countries be I'm use block work no. I'm use iron sheet. That Kenya na say for no. I'm use iron sheet no there. And you know a bone shot and yet didn't say I say that you use block work there. There's a block with the better crack. So it depends on the number of bears and the better do our man. First of all, you can start small. Dip later, maybe 100, 200 up as I see. First of all, so I say we pay obia obedi wenim. Ejumani yanya nekeke. Mama yanya nekeke. I mean yanya nekeke can do say you find a consultant who knows the job, someone who is striving, someone who is doing well. Obeju skakra maninji suka na pakono Daniel na meka no asem no. The 2021 na menene ejumani ska gym no membo ha say. Ojeme pa.
Na free thing they say mbo.
Bagana for Penyama free too much.
No, free thing they because I did free there new. Free.
Ghana for
Be a problem they che.
Ghana for
Amount free a different story. It's
yeah,
free thing.
Amount free now, somebody you can't hold him responsible. Yeah. So
it's free thing there.
Free thing there is not good. But Ghana for party free. So you find a consultant, even though he's gonna take you money or you're gonna pay for it, he will lead you to do the right thing, and you also be successful. Yama agriculture no enyefe. If you say Ghana say yama youthful baby, you're my year. About into farming now, I believe Ghana will be a better place. If you say, "Bisa," I say, "Yami boy, we are saying, it's my main name first."
Kuyayo dia say na no money ade nya no mo yo.
Say kuyayo na we are saying. It was farming. So that day the best chef no be feed there. I say what you say grace ni shira na wo. Aboa, obenya aboa na aboa tun kusiama. It's spiritual, so you should know say I don't know anyways. So you have to hold it to heart and do it well, and it will flourish. So you're so now bumpy and one. But so one for consultant, now one call right channel there. They were told that they are
so on utie na utibi na utie say chale me I want travel, I know must can money no dey Ghana. Which is so be control is $10,000, $15,000 near the connection. Omo did nam kwa so be far say money no eti mosamu mutimi start be say na momo we ya. What is this anyama we be be true na krese Ghana money no dey sika ni ha na business wa nye na any problem no ana
before we had the intention of traveling. Before I made business way, I had the intention of traveling. I'm a package go and come maybe UK move in it. Now more direct move money be 1.7 billion. Every more care work in there Charlie. My ready crowd go koye. And our band to me say Charlie to get me home. Oko different country. Now oko ye juma. Na unya $200,000 poor. You can't spend it there. You bring it to Ghana. What are you going to do? You're going to invest in something, to do a business, to generate more income with the money. After now, Besha here. Walk away 5 years, 10 years now. After now, I have Besha here. That time I'm recorded that. And now I say, walk away, money 200,000. Oh, bah, Ghana. No, what we did 200,000 within 2 years, Besha. So it's better you do something here, grow on that thing. They will come and consult you. I have friends who are in UK. I have a lot of people who are in UK. Bro, it's crazy.
She has a plan, a secret mission filled by gratitude and affection. She chooses her mother's favorite breakfast. Delight Foods, House Sakoko, a harmonious blend of flavors crafted with care and devotion. The taste of tradition and comfort. In that moment, their connection deepens, a bond strengthened by a shared experience. Delight Foods, House of Cocoa, a delicious breakfast made with care and love in just 2 minutes.
It's crazy. Intermediate, Ghana there, and Ghana is free. Ultimate cost speed, can I amount ticket? Cologne and cost speed, I share everyone amount ticket the next day.
Cost speed, amount ticket. But Sikawa Ghana, I mean, Bissau.
Sikawa Africa, in Ghana. Yeah. Sikawa Africa. Abrafuna kanga someone himself Sikawa Africa. Ntino munyina biba be investment. I didn't China for no while. Africa discover how it's yeah, shallow minded na unim. You have to be a critical thinker to be able to know say Africa Sikawa. Agriculture aspect, Sikawa. There are certain things that make my come off camera, they are fine. But Africa, agriculture, Sikawa.
So information you move bebree ni ana because me kama omo mutimi general oye bibi o timi aton bia na otimi aye bibi na oye bibi o timi nye sika be se but onji no hundi se ade am ye ana se ade am mi nkoso na me nye na ebetimi a double sika no ana me start bibi ebetimi ba yenya sika na no de ba yetrim na sese na wo say ba utrim ni say yentu kwan kwa abruchi.
People don't want to start. They don't want to start because they are scared whether it will work or it won't work. Me sure say you know.
Obeti almost sika ne be she ta akasa de pe be she.
Me starting in na wa ha. Ebe yejuma na say nyejuma. So that's it. I had that nervous no me say ebe yejuma na say nyejuma. But you see na yejuma. So they don't want to start. You have to start it. What start here na bo hu say ebe yejuma. Or so say ni sika be she. Esekra me na madam be eta terms be bossu. If the chickens die 100 times, we will buy 100 times. And one who 100 times, you better 100 times. If say who you name the who would you you can't say abuano there. I say nipa the lifespan about 2-3 years. But production wise, there 2 years there, a ultimate turn. If say production, it depends on how healthy the bed is. Abuano do 2-3 years, a ultimate turn. Abuano you know, na pumodin so bafom. As a nipa, unyi na wo yemre na wo kita stick na yade ade. Sana aboa no so onyi no bibi chene kakra na to obetime ewu. Boy akola na so you on youthful age a yare chena the body need to resist yare no. So that say enti wo de do kan pe no na afa na no ho ato no. Ba obenyi na du be 18-19 weeks and 70 weeks no. We didn't collaborate no one na dro sa but you be 70 weeks no and the drone na kokwa no and to man the drone cry bu okra and sad and fa the honor no mortality rate na high kakra what mean kasa gba na ewu andra ye de na ba ku wi and me hwe se ba ku be wu e normal e odwuma ni is the code abu dia wa ku pe no su yeah onu dey happen ya fa nyam bebre mu so if you don't start you can't make it.
Yeah, demands no na touch be on the demands na woka. Me di bia kasa omoka chale ono de ne de ne mpo wa starting nkitin no be place order say nkosua ne ade no make sure say meto ni na. Ma me bisa o the demands no et say nkosua ne demands ne say.
Demand in there, as I said previously, is crazy. Or we better me discover to work as next order. Or tiaka ahead of time. Obit me de be 1 billion be brother say mami nkosia sa 1 billion asana skanasa.
Obit me de 100,000 100,000 Ghana cedi and answer 1 million Ghana cedis. 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes, 1 billion.
100,000 Ghana cedis be brother say 100,000 Ghana or to nkosia in advance.
Or tiaka ahead of time.
Charlie.
What does it? More customer be or tiame me money X be 700 crate or some tiame another 800 crate up front. Abraham cushion me for money any radio.
I go on plan 2 year.
On 2 year. Remember on 2 year but it that shows how profitable the business is. You get it? And obit me can say, hey Charlie, or who said go for your potty be brew, go for your potty be no bar. Your bar saying in cushion must mean to. What the cash was Ghana fufu nkosia kan oboko to bi no di fufu nkosia banku wachi nkosia ampesi nkosia wano nkosia emo nkosia anopa tea breakfast nkosia beans nkosia chiremeduane a yedi wa Ghana nkosia nkan nkosia ne mekokra yesoa ekoton ebi ni Nigeria in Nigeria ko Nigeria egg demand ne a little bit lower omo chicken ne pa egg ne lower it's more season be a egg glut season na demand na lower and production higher. It's about farmers do a honoma or Munkosiana says or farm honomusi and all that. It happens in Nigeria most of the time. But Ghana, I've mentioned until chaos maybe that. In Kosia demand dear Ghana, bro, the word I'll use is crazy. I know papa.
Wow.
I know papa.
I see, because the beauty place and demand see high pa.
Very, very so high. So high.
Wow. So that means see our 7,000 beds no. In the next 5 years,
oh, the target is 5 years. My target for the year by the end of the year, I'm about 15,000. So
15,000.
Yeah, that's the target for this
It's
year.
about 15,000. That means so when you bigger land and a cage, you know, when say so be mu ana. And so who know anything. Who say bu ha. O ma bie mu, o ma dan, o ma bie mu so ma say cage bia mo so then
me the cage na me SCC a. Enti me mo na moto no mo cage nim. Enti they almost 7 weeks to no. Almost be cage nim. They are here very soon now. Almost so me can we now be 15,000. Almost be cage nim. And I know the more structures will be on board to accommodate them in the cages.
Wow.
You get it? Yeah.
O farm so on a day in go so say na unya. Yeah day.
Oh, I said now in one more tungo say there onya be 110, 116.
110 crates.
Yeah.
110 crates in a day. Master, I know be small blog.
Oh, no man.
110 crates.
Hey. 110 crates. Depending on production, it's me call. One say I wanted there. Multimeter 6 days. 6 days in a week. So that's it. Ebu home and production. And yes, no fixed every day. It goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it stays for a longer time, it goes up, it comes down, just that way.
Wow.
Yeah.
Inti abba from crashes na o can say production ba from crana. And we say 110 production ba from crama or crana baby. How many crates in a day?
Oh, but my because you know, me production is here and say better 2 crates na somebody here one. I am back and forth.
Only 2 crates, man.
Yeah, my production is here. I'm making 91 between 92 and 91% production. And I'm 41 weeks. But I'm now I'm younger no. May call as high as 97. Which is like 3% and 900%. You get it. So as of now I'm more 91, 92, which is extremely good. Because a bit more 80% no crowd, 80% 80%. And the case
I'm to do stage be as we so na waton mo so.
Yeah,
so benya osika wa akoko no.
Yes, and then boy we dem try be 120 weeks. This year no more 41. And I can be 80 weeks and 70 something weeks more, which is more than a year. I'm to go see by the time no more than 60%, 70% thereabouts.
Before we start this idea, you need capital because I am a feed in Amokano. So
Yeah.
in this guy, we all start to begin now. But Jane do baby now feed the usika go feed the so much deeper.
But it's not a joke. Now remember one of to cram $7 a day.
7,000. Over 7 bags a day.
Dabi. Omo to see ano. Omo to see ano 3,000 something. Omo this $7.5 a day.
Now 1 bag is saying.
Me my own feed. Me prepare. I prepare my own feed. Me talk.
Oh, it's one out you try and we be an out ban be an idea.
And your commercial feed mills. Your more that so say amunya poultry no. Feed mill la. Be bia wo okwa ebro wo concentrate wo soya wo be bia and you go with your formula. But maybe I feed no. I'm need me concentrate now. Maybe use no. So I buy my concentrate, go there, give them my formula. They prepare the feed for me the way I want it. Now me that come farm. It is a prepare feed new year. Remember, nobody be 7 tons 2 weeks. 7 tons of feed. A ton be about 20 bags. It is 7 tons no be 140 bags. Nobody ne be 2 weeks. So that's it.
Wow.
Which is make calculate here is around layer mass, you know. Make yes, me prepare feed now. 1 bag about 340 and 345 cedis. But okotwa about 400 cedis. So I'm saving like 70 Ghana cedis or 60 Ghana cedis on 1 bag if I'm preparing the feed myself. So me say no, me income I was sort will be on auto already prepared market. No? So what I say. And I mean what advantage. No more advantage. I know what I'm putting in my feed. But the company, you don't know what they are putting in the feed for you. So I can balance the diet. And then when you say production or no, yes, type beer, I can increase the soya or something. As I say, I can increase nyama be me fra feed no additives or nyama be fra feed na man ko so na akese na nyama you get it ni nyina wo honom. So if you're preparing your feed, you have advantage than buying already prepared feed. Already prepared feed markets in there was a time be a sankofa ne kujis near there maize be shorty wa Ghana maize e be shorty wa Ghana ma Ghana kra ne bro sankofa call hot there was no feed and now me now form we use sankofa feed no. Can you imagine say omo nyina had to shift to a different company to go and buy their feed and now change feed pe and one how production about from. But me, I had the upper hand because I was preparing my feed. A broker 1,000 Ghana crap family, I will buy it to prepare my own feed. It's the same concentrate, it's the same formula I'm using. I'm not changing my feed. So I say, so it helps a lot if you're preparing your feed. You have advantage over everything.
Wow.
I
see. Why are there? I mean, kakra, maybe odu. Uko enim. Me de ana me ga cho say utimi try set upside who person to kwaya. He say who person to kwaya. All the company registration, all the statement got tuma.
Oh,
this body is doing farming. This guy is doing okay. Come share cash in.
If you want, if you're a poultry farmer, yeah, and agriculture, if you want to travel to Netherlands, and you're into poultry, and you go for a visa and they check your statement, the company account, check your statement, and you give them a reason why you are going to that country. It's a simple tax. They don't stress you. Netherlands, Owako Haba. Easy. Yeah, they know you go and come back. They know you can take care of yourself.
Obit me 200,000 Ghana say, Charlie, she and Gusiani ready. No, advance booking in advance. Advance booking.
To me, the say countries they make a holiday level. Because boiling na masamba. And you feel like to be closer. Now walk with you, me heading.
Charlie, Eva, me that is over me so I mean, good. Me can ask omo mo asumbetie. And yet necessarily say obia no nkoye fa poultry.
Oh no. They are whole lot of stuff.
Maybe they say but I deal with me can they be I don't know say also know why observe said me say information is very important. The training the AT. O share in bebrebe na ade educate you say na me no ye obi be tap idea bi e beti me man some yen hwe no in bebre na na ensemu no.
No.
So how will you get there? How will you I mean they change your dream and how will you know say ade we metimi aye bibi say
So one share in your say yeah, you wouldn't get motivated. That one there is for fact. Maybe start to say no. Oba me fee now about YouTuber. You won't see any other thing apart from poultry farming videos. Oba me fee now about YouTuber. You wouldn't see anything. Now me share poultry me share videos ni nyina ma after the na YouTube craft for me me should be biom. I should be bia. Me share farm up. Na me share farm up sama me share videos ni na after now me say na should be say no say na cash here e motivate me biom say ma share ni bi awie. Me share videos bia. It's not Osha. What's the Osha? I have a spirit. I don't know how to explain it. A raw spirit in my spirit in the say no. I said me yet body in the crown what no. You get it? So how can I feel say no, I have to do it. It motivates. If you don't watch it, it wouldn't happen. That one there for fact. It wouldn't happen.
Thank you, sir. Wankasano. Asama mi kade bia no.
I've experienced it, so I know what you're talking about. I've experienced it, so I know what you're talking about.
You omo aso ebeti. But even me that say pass it through my ninja social media handles so e dey den one person omo shout out, omo person do ma say. I mean,
shout out. Remember Madam for the real farms or TikTok. About the real farms are Madam for Pano no, and a farmer K. Honestly, Madam for Pa. And our farms be a cacao. And I remember me abo me pa do tambina bema. And go kwana almost to go see me feed sikabe sign. Mama be 50,000. 7,500 crop feed him buano. As of now, cram me the cabe 25,000 crowd. I say me train on yanje or the me kita. No one train I was some bat to my business and papa on boy me. Lastly, as like as a crowd, the man Obama in it or no motivating me. I can know one. And start business we wouldn't come to reality. And can any part from poor baby You get it? Or not started TikTok page, or handle, or try me send a me use and as I say, I do you see almost more than 200,000 subscribers. And see, me. Yeah, and see more TikTok, me also on Instagram, me what YouTube channel as well. It's building small, about 1,005 subscribers and stuff like that. So,
then your channels in your then
farms. Everything is farms.
Wow. Wow, I see. Charlie, me that says so pass it through SVTV Africa. So also I share your experience. At least a bit motivate a bit more my dream say person going to it no but they be no made they no now I did so tap it.
Exactly.
Nice me that pass it through SVTV Africa. So me they be make catch row. Me say and yes a meal. Nyama meka nyama nkofo YouTube ni ade na anase search research nkofo ye nyama odi asisi awunim de obeye problem na e wo ha ne se bebre nim ne epese ye nti me say nyama na tie nyama tie enya nkonkonsa o we asire be edu no and out dey aba and obi so create content no oye we na afi no be chechemu na nsem hunu nko a free sad de num and that if you don't watch free side denum focus on maybe obi ka bibi we don't need idea for data no hwe nyama obo say we tie obi sa obi be ka sese na park and obi abechi wadwan bibi so way then you start getting ideas. The noise, you follow the noise every day on the open noise you will get it. And the way I could jai way, and the way the way could you way, and the way the way, and the way and then wait I will get. And mommy she businessmen no need time for Sanyama way. That is the secret I own him. What dream I had an engine, no, so don't consume unnecessary things. I say here. Nothing will be discussion and not here. I don't need that. If when you break as a youth, I'll share me. Shenko for way or more farming now be ya, BB now be ya, ITB program be now be ya. She sanko for follow more. Steady. You go see, say, on can also around mood, every round mood says spirit, no. Then you can say, what be your passion, I'm mad, no. But Ghana, Hano, a doors, noise in the doors, or Casa Dodo, they no doors. So you be complaining because you are until the day. Anyway, more soon. But see, Madam, some more share FM DJ and Madam Production team. I say, subscribe to your channel for more. But so, by me show no subi, oh yeah, baby, let me know about subi NTO or experience. I mean, yeah, encourage you to crack. See, wait me a link up and numbers now show screens. So business link, so only will be a business near there. I mean, minimum didn't come on. My numbers now, but my WhatsApp man as send me voice. So to share more chroma cassette tour.
Living in Ghana, abroad, a first-timer visiting Ghana, or a company wondering where to get quality service providers in Ghana for any job, then Ejumapa On Demand Services is here to assist you. Ejumapa On Demand Services connect requesters and service providers such as masons, plumbers, electricians, auto repairers, home and office cleaners, trash collectors, rent agents, spa attendants, roofers, beauticians, teachers, CCTV installers, and all artisans on one platform. Yes, one platform. Trust Ejumapa On Demand Services to sort you out any day, anywhere, and at any time. To download the app, please visit the App Store and Play Store or visit our website www.ejumapa.com.
Hi there, my name is Calibos, the only boss with one S. Happy new month to all of you. Welcome to a month of new possibilities. Do you know why life has been made so easy? It's because of Tap Send. People, Tap Send is here to make your life easy if you want to transfer money to Ghana. If you want to transfer from USA, if you want to transfer from UK, Europe, Canada, a lot of places all to Ghana. And guess what? When it comes to Ghana, there's no e-levy charge. So, what are you waiting for? Download Tap Send on Google Play Store and App Store and be ready for exciting offers coming your way each time, every time on Tap Send.
Tap Send. Send more, spend less. This Airbnb in Dansoman Estates, Accra, is only $40 a day and offers all the amenities for a comfortable stay. It is also conveniently located 30 minutes away from the airport. We also have 1 and 2 bedroom apartments for long-term rental at Ingleshi, Amamprum, 15 minutes to the Wedi toll booth and the West Hills Mall, going for 1,500 and 1,000 Ghana cedis only. Call Parry Group on 053-866-3532, 053-866-3532. This is Parry Group of Companies.